Hello everyone, I am Tina.
I'm Coral.
Yes, and we are from Tooling Technology Company Limited. And today we gonna introduce this machine for you. It calls fully automatic double head insert number 2 terminal machine. And hi Coral.
Hi, Tina.
I see so many samples here, so can you introduce this to us?
Yes, this is our sample. Look here. And there are some number tube on it. And they are double head terminal.
Oh, very good. So I see there is so special white tube. So what's the function of it?
Yes, this is the number tube. And this number tube, there are some words on it. You can see it. These words can be corresponding to the insert.
Oh, wow. I see there is a white tube. It's so special. Can you introduce for us?
Yes, this is the number tube. You can see there are some words on the number tube, and the words is printed if the workers need to insert the plastic hole, and the words on it can corresponding to the plastic hole.
Oh, wow, it's very nice for our workers, right?
Yes.
Oh, wow, very surprised. I see a very beautiful machine there. So can you introduce for me?
Yes, this machine is to printing the parameters. You can see it from this one. And it is equipped with the MEX Max systems. And you can see we can connect the Wi-Fi and the internet to operate it.
Oh, wow, it's many times for our workers. And what about this touch screen?
This touch screen is also used to set the parameters, and that's all.
And so we can see this is a Chinese touch screen. So do we have any other language?
Yes, we have the English.
Oh, English. Okay, good. Oh, so what's the difference between this touch screen and those machines?
And you can see that this is the touch screen, and this machine we can input all the parameters for a batch of the orders at once. And if we use the touch screen, we have to reset the parameters, and if we input different parameters, and it is a high efficiency.
Oh, wow, high efficiency. We like this. And so we can see this is a Chinese touch screen. So do we have any other language?
Yes, we have many other languages.
Oh, for example?
English or Polish.
Oh, English or Polish, yes, we can see this. Okay, so we all about know these two beautiful machines. So can you introduce the step working part for us?
Okay, please come here.
Okay, so what's the first step working part?
The first step we can see that is the cutting and stripping.
Oh, wow.
And the next step we need to insert number 2. The third step is crimping. The last step is to bake the tube and stabilize it. We can see that this end is finished.
And what about the next?
What about next? When this end is finished, we need to work the other end at the same step.
Oh, well, that's it. We have a new sample finished, right?
Yes, this is the final sample.
Oh, I see it can move. Why it can move?
It is according to the customer needs. We need to set the length of the number 2.
Oh, wow, very good. I see some lines here. So what is the function of this wire?
Yes, it is the optical detection. It is timely detection. It is used to detect whether the terminal has been crimped or not. If it is not crimped, the machine will pause and the worker will adjust it again.
Oh, wow, all of these working parts we all know it now. So what details can you tell us?
Yes, let's open the box, machine box. We can see that there are 17 step motors and 1 Sunling serve motors, and 1 main port and 2 frequency changer.
Oh, so can you introduce more details of those parts?
This 2 frequency changer is used to support the terminal's work. And you can see that there.
Case in the behind. So can you introduce for us?
Okay, we can see that there is the cable feeding machine. It is used to string the wire. You can see the wire is very straight.
What about this one? This blue one?
And you can see that there are 2.
Oh.
There is a one.
We have 2.
We have
What's
2
this?
alternative current transformer. This transformer is used to control the temperature of the heat roll. And you can also see that there is a gas storage tank. It is used to ensure to stable the air pressure. And that's all.
Oh wow, very thank you for Cora's so details introduced. Now we all know the details of this machine and that's it. Thank you.
Bye.